How to make a video private on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then navigate to the post that you want to make private. Now, tap on it and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, scroll through and you will see the option for privacy settings. Tap on that and then tap on the only you option you see there, and with this, the video will be moved to private mode. You can then tap on the lock icon you see there in order to view all your private videos on TikTok. So this was about how you can make a video private on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.